What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I did a video between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in all low light. I usually do comparison videos with cameras. Well, when I did the nighttime footage with the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra, when I got to the front-facing camera, we had some issues, some really bad issues. And so this is my follow-up video after factory resetting the device and rebooting the phone and taking some more nighttime footage. Let me explain what's going on with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So this is a follow-up video of me factory resetting the Galaxy S21 Ultra and shooting some more footage at night to see what's going on with the front-facing camera. So before I give you guys some explanations on what's going on with these cameras, let me show you the footage that I've taken with this device. Check this out. Guys, so this is the front-facing camera on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy S20 Ultra. You be the judge for yourself for looking at this. Pretty interesting. Look at that. I'm getting some artifacting with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's the first time I'm seeing that. Okay. Well, maybe it may not show up after I put this in post, but me looking at the viewfinder right now, I'm getting some very horrible artifacting on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Some really horrible artifacting. Now, I can tell you that I wiped the camera lens on both devices, but I'm just looking at the viewfinder and I'm not liking what I see. But hey, it is what it is. You get to see it for yourself, or maybe not. Maybe it will process it out after I close it off, but hey, it is what it is. I rebooted the device and I'm doing this in full HD instead of 4K on the front-facing camera. I did want to stop the video and end the video with an explanation on why I was getting digital images in the video that you just saw. So this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S21, and I'm not getting any digital artifacting. Yes, I am a little digital artifacting, and I'm seeing, wow, okay, so I'm getting some digital artifacting here, even at 1080p. So look like we got an issue here at 1080p and 4K on the front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21. I want y'all guys to see that. Look like I got some type of situation. Now in the daytime, when I did the daytime video, I did not have this issue, but at night I'm having this issue. So I want y'all guys to see this in real time. I just finished doing my nighttime video with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Galaxy S20 Ultra. First time doing it, been having the device for a few days. I'm out there grinding and grinding to get a lot of footage. And I noticed, as y'all guys saw in the first part of the video, and if you looked at my nighttime video with the front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you notice that you had some artifacting and some really kind of really bad stuff that was going on. Now, this is the Galaxy S21 Ultra with the front-facing camera. Now, look like I'm not seeing it in the landscape mode. Look like it's very weird. It was only doing it in portrait, and but I am seeing it. Okay, so I am seeing it in landscape mode. As I move the camera around, I'm seeing it in landscape mode and in portrait mode. Now, this is an issue. Now, I dropped it down to 1080p in the previous video and it done the same thing. So here it is, front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and we have some digital effects going on with this device at nighttime. Not sure why, but I wanted to make this dedicated video while I'm out here filming and let y'all guys see some of this stuff. All right, guys, so I'm outside again, and we're trying to see if I can mimic the same digital noise that I had in the previous video after I did the factory reset and everything. So this is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and as of right now, I'm not having any digital noise. Look like the factory reset might have fixed some of those issues that I had. This is all low light. no light at all. And look like, I mean, yes, you do see some type of noise, but that's look like the normal noise that you'll have in the shot. And let's see here. So some of the things, I'm gonna go this way here. And yeah, so I mean, it is a lot of noise. Is it a lot of digital noise in there when I do it that way? You be the judge for yourself. I want to show y'all guys that with the way the noise started was that it was in portrait mode. So what I did was, as you can see, I'm kind of going portrait mode, landscape mode. You let y'all guys see the way it is. And but look like it may be still there. But again, this is low light. You're gonna get a lot of digital noise in low light, but look like we might have fixed it, maybe. Look at that. Look like it may be fixed. I don't know, but you be the judge for yourself. So as you can see with the front-facing camera on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, we had some bad artifacting and some digital noise that was going on. And a lot of people thought that maybe I had a faulty device. I know that this device just came out, and usually when phones come out, you wait on software updates and stuff like that. All right, so after the factory reset, the footage seemed a lot better. We still had some digital noise, but we didn't see that bad of artifacting and stuff like that with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the front-facing camera. All right, so let's make sure we understand something. In low light, a lot of cameras look bad. It just shocked me when I saw that the Galaxy S21 Ultra had some digital noise, and it looked like the matrix that was coming down the screen. Looked like something was wrong with the lens. I didn't think that it's a hardware issue. I think that it was a software issue. And listen, ever since I had this device, I have not received any updates. I just did a factory reset and I shot the footage again. So right now, I think that the front-facing camera is okay. I mean, I did some testing with it, as y'all guys see. It's okay. I'm not sure whether or not it's supposed to look like that in so many ways, but again, low light. It's very difficult for cell phone cameras to look good in low light, especially the front-facing camera. So if you need that full protection for your Galaxy S series of devices, look no further. Channel sponsor today, Armadillotech, may have you covered. If you have a Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, or Galaxy S21 Ultra, Armadillotech may have you covered. It's a Super Duty construction with a sleek profile. So the Armadillotech Vanguard series of cases give you that ultimate military grade protection. Not only that, but it has a raised lip to protect the camera rays. It has a raised lip to protect the display, and you can put a glass screen protector on here and it would not interfere with it. Also, when it comes down to protection, if you drop this case on the front, you protect it. If you drop it in the back, you protect it, and on the sides. What I like about these cases is it does have some unique colors. You have the black, red, orange, which is nice. So I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick these cases up. I want to give a huge thanks to Armadillotech for sponsoring this video. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra is no different from any other smartphone when it comes down to low light, especially in the front-facing camera. So I'm going to do follow-up videos after I get updates with the device to see if it fixed some of the digital noise and the artifacting with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.